Hi, and welcome to my channel Fusion X. Today we will learn how to make timeline with Morph transition in PowerPoint. Right-click on empty slide, and go to Format Background menu. Insert a good background image as per your desire and requirements. Go to Artistic Effects, select Blur, and set the value to 20%. Now insert a text box from Insert menu. Type numerals from 0 to 9. Select a good font style, and increase font size. Adjust the text box so that all digits are adjusted in a single vertical line. Select font color as to suit the background image. Adjust the text box so that a single digit is center aligned. No duplicate text box as per your requirement, and align them all. Here I am going to make 4 such text boxes. Now adjust the text boxes so that it makes up in year like 1990. We are going to make a timeline for the evolution of BMW M3 car. Now insert a BMW logo, and adjust as it suit the slide. From shape select a rectangle, and draw 2 rectangles, in such a way that extra numbers get covered. Remove shape outline, and format, select background fill. Now insert text box for M3 car model, and adjust text and logo appropriately. Now insert the 1990s car model HD image. From Format tab, remove the background as shown on the screen. Resize the image as per requirement. Now insert the next image to be displayed on the next slide. Remove background, resize, and place on the right outer side of the slide. Duplicate the slide, and change the year to 2000. Resize the images. Place the first on left outer side of slide. Place the image of interest on the slide. Insert the next image, remove background, and place on right outer side of slide. Repeat the same procedure for all the slide that are to be made as per your desire and requirement. Now select all slides and apply Morph transition. Now open slideshow, and you will see the magic. If you liked my video, kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such content.